Good morning, housekeeping. Sarah speaking. How may I assist you?
Yes. Can I have 2 bottle to my room, please?
2 bottle. Can I have your name and your room number, please?
I am John from room number 205.
Thank you, Mr. John. One of our staff will bring your request to your room at about 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else?
I think that's all. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Mr. John. Have a good day. Good morning, Valet service, please.
Yes?
Good morning, Mr. John. I am Wayan from Valet section. Do you have any laundry for this morning?
Yes, I have. I put them on my bed.
Alright. Can I check it first?
Yes, of course.
Well, Mr. John, you have 1 jacket and 2 trousers. Mr. John, we have promotions, dry cleaning, and first-aid goods. How much that? Alright, may I know what kind of service would like to John? We have window service and accessories. Certainly, Mr. John, and how about the fees? Just fill it. Alright, Mr. John. So that you have 3 pieces of bed, 1 and 2. Right. Excuse me, Mr. John, could you sign here, please? Okay. Well, thank you very much for using our service. We will process your laundry and we'll deliver to you between 5 to 6 p.m. this evening. If you need something else, feel free to call us using extension number 2 from your telephone. Wish you have a nice day, Mr. John.
Thank you.
You're welcome.